B121A is a climate control mode control motor circuit code. In plain terms, the climate control unit is seeing the mode control motor feedback voltage go higher than it expects, so it flags a fault. The driver may notice the air outlets do not change correctly, the mode door may not respond as expected, or the HVAC system may stay in the wrong outlet position. The broad fault areas can include the mode control motor circuit, wiring or connector issues, the shared signal return circuit, or a possible climate control unit internal circuit problem. Start with the basic system checks and keep the diagnosis structured before going into circuit testing. For the confirmation step, turn the vehicle to on mode. Then use the HDS path body electrical HVAC data list to look at the related climate control data. This code is handled like a signal plausibility problem. The goal is to see whether the control unit is getting a believable motor signal, then separate a motor side issue from a wiring issue or a control unit side issue. Next, prepare for the mode control motor inspection by disconnecting the mode control motor 5P connector. With IG mode on, perform the unit output voltage inspection using the proper connector terminals. The normal condition is about 5V. If that check is normal, the diagnostic path points to a problem with the mode control motor. If it is abnormal, continue looking at the other related components and circuits instead of condemning the motor right away. Now move to the open wire checks. Disconnect the mode control motor 5P connector and disconnect climate control unit connector B, the 24P connector. With IG mode off, check the MDDP circuit for an open. The normal condition is there is less than 1 ohmega. Then check the SENS-COM circuit the same way. Its normal condition is also there is less than 1 ohmega. If either of these checks is abnormal, the diagnostic path points to a circuit problem. If the wiring checks do not explain the fault, move to the climate control unit inspection. Disconnect the mode control motor 5P connector. Leave climate control unit connector B, the 24P connector, connected and switch IG mode on. Perform the unit internal circuit inspection. The normal condition is about 5V. If this check is abnormal, the diagnostic path points to a problem with the climate control unit. Since there is no direct method here to test the component itself, the diagnosis is built around proving the related circuits and components in order. Keep the verification separate from the fault isolation. After the issue found in testing has been corrected, return to the same basic on-mode confirmation and make sure B121A does not reset. The key is to follow the voltage path in order. First the mode motor signal check, then the MDDP and SENS-COM open wire checks, and then the climate control unit internal circuit check. If the results do not line up with the path you have already taken, pause, recheck the earlier diagnostic path and avoid guessing. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.